Assalamu alaikum. I am Munaf Ashrafi. Welcome to my channel Mr. Mind Map. Today's quick revision topic is the Battle of Badr. The first paragraph is the introductory paragraph. This was the first decisive battle between Muslims and the Quraysh of Makkah. It was fought in 2 Hijrah, 80 miles away from Medina near the wells of Badr. There are many causes or reasons for this battle. First was the enmity between Quraysh and Muslims. Muslims believed in one Allah. This means the negation of all false gods of Makkans. They were against the economic and racial system of the time. In addition, Makkans looted the properties and houses of Muslims after their migration to Medina. Muslims started raiding the trade caravans of Quraysh because Medina was near trade route of Syria and Mecca. In such a raid, one Meccan, Amr bin Hazrami, was killed, and they wanted his blood revenge. One immediate cause was the largest trade caravan from Syria under the command of Abu Sufyan. Abu Sufyan, suspecting Muslims' attack, sent a messenger to Mecca for help and changed the route. Abu Sufyan reached Mecca safely. He wrote Abu Jahl to return with the army, but Abu Jahl wanted to get rid of this constant threat for good. Moreover, Allah gave permission to fight. Quran says, "To those against whom war is made, permission is given to fight, because they are wrong, and verily Allah is the most powerful for their aid." Paragraph next is about the events of the battle. First, both armies are compared. Muslim was 313 with 2 armors. They had 2 horses and 70 camels. Quraysh were 1,000 men. They had 200 horses and 700 camels. Holy Prophet was the commander-in-chief, while Hazrat Ali had the flag of immigrants. Hazrat Saad bin Muaz had the flag of helpers. On the left wing, Hazrat Miqdar bin Aswad was the commander, while the right wing was under the command of Hazrat Zubair bin Awwam. Central flag was in the hands of Hazrat Musab bin Umair. Next paragraph is about the blessings of Allah. Holy Prophet prayed for the victory, which was granted. The night before the fight, it rained, which made Muslims fresh and freed them from Iblis' attack. Allah sent angels in this battle for Muslims' help. Before the general fight, Quraysh sent Walid, Utbah and Sheba, who challenged for 1-to-1 fight, that's duel. From Muslim side, Hamza, Ali and Ubaidah bin al-Haris killed all 3 Qurayshites. Muslims started the open fight. First they hurled stones. Then they shot arrows, and in the last they used swords for close fights. Muslims won the fight. Muslims lost their 14 men, while Quraysh lost 70 men, which included 14 of their leaders. 70 pagans were made prisoners. Muslims got 115 camels, 14 horses, and a rich store of clothes, carpets and equipment of war as booty. Next paragraph is about the result or lesson. Muslims' belief in Allah became stronger. Respect of the state of Medina increased. Quran states this day as Yawmul Furqan. Muslims got some wealth.